We're videoing here, just saying.
Oh yeah! Mom! No, that one's mine. Mine is the bee. Mine is the bee. Mine is the fish.
You want the whole thing so it's not fussing.
This is the one. Peter. Peter. Right here.
You gotta figure out what they say.
No.
Look at the size of the letters. That's an N, yes. Look at the size of the letters. So do you think the big letters go together and the little letters go together? Well, okay, get the little letters and see if you can make a word out of it.
This may be a 2-hour show.
We'll give them.
Yeah,
One
put them on.
split baby, Mom.
Win. That's a good guess.
Except for it has.
Here, let's add some letters to see.
H.
Let's see here. Weena. Could it be that?
No.
No? Alright, let's hear. Weenab.
No. Weena.
U-ban.
No, it's not you.
No U's in this house. Okay. What else? Anyone have any ideas? Oh, there's another one. Joseph has his.
A bee.
B.
Bee.
I think you should put the little letters together to make a word and the big letters together to make a word.
Bee. Hey, guys, can I make a word real quick? No. No.
Weenie. That's probably not it.
No. What's my letter? It's not in my letter.
Nui. Oh, there we go. Now it's new.
New, that's good.
Scoot that
That's a good
forward,
word.
please.
What's the bee? What's new baby? New baby. New baby. New baby.
Oh, you think that's it? New baby? What does that mean?
Oh, Mama, new baby.
What do you think, Mama?
New baby.
You think that's right?
I think so.
Yes, you're right. We're having a new baby. Baby in Mama's tummy right now.
How'd you figure out?
Look.
What'd you think about that, Peter?
New baby.